Previous class we discussed the relation on A. Now we will discuss the properties of relation on A or the types of relation on A. In 12th syllabus there are 5 types of relation on A. Number 1 is the identity relation on A. Number 2 is the replacive relation on A. Number 3 is the symmetric relation on A. Number 4 is the transitive relation on A. Number 5 is the equivalence relation on A. In this class we will discuss the identity relation and the replacive relation, and other are in next videos. Now start. Types of relation on A, or we can say the properties of relation on A. Number 1, identity relation on A. Number 2, reflexive relation on A. Number 3, symmetric relation on A. Number 4, transitive relation on A. Number 5, equivalence relation on A. In this video we will discuss the identity relation and reflexive relation, and others are we will discuss in next video. Identity relation on A. Identity relation on A. The relation are on A is said to be identity if every element of set A is related to itself. That is, for all x belongs to A, x comma x belongs to R, or we can write x belongs to R for all x belongs to A. This is number 1, identity relation. Identity relation on A means the relation is said to be identity relation on A if every element of set A is related to itself only. Mind it, itself only. Every element of set A is related to itself only. That is, x comma x belongs to R for all x belongs to A. For all, this is important. X comma x belongs to R for all x belongs to A. Let us see an example. Example, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Then the relations on A. Suppose this is R1 is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2. Is it identity relation on A? Answer is no, because in set A the elements are 1, 2, 3, but in relation R1 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 is absent here, so it is not identity relation. Reason, this is not identity relation, because the element 3 belongs to A, but 3, 3 not belongs to R1. Second example, R2 is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. It is the identity relation. It is the identity relation on A, because the set A contains 3 elements 1, 2, 3. In relation to R2 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. All elements of set A are related to itself only. 1 is related to 1, 2 is related to 2, 3 is related to 3. So it satisfies the definition of the identity relation. What is the definition of identity relation here? For all x belongs to A, x comma x belongs to R. So here A equal to 1, 2, 3. Now, here A equal to 1, 2, 3. In R2, the element 1 is related to 1 and 2 is also related to 2, 3 is related to 3. All, each and every element are related to itself only. So it is the identity relation on A. 3. R3 is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2. It is not identity. It is not identity relation, because here the reason is here not identity relation. 1 is related to 2. 1 is related to another element 2. So it not satisfied the definition of the identity relation. So it is not identity relation. Now number 2. Number 2, we will discuss a reflexive relation. A reflexive relation on A. Before define the reflexive relation, we should know the meaning of reflexive. The meaning of reflexive means, the meaning of reflexive is a relationship between element to itself. That is, relation between the element and itself means reflexive. In mathematics, reflexive relation means the relation are on A is said to be reflexive, if x comma x belongs to R, for all x belongs to A. Here important notes. If for all x belongs to A and x comma x belongs to R, if some extra order pair x comma y may or may not are in the relation R, then it is also reflexive. What is the difference between identity relation and reflexive relation? There is a little bit difference between reflexive relation and identity relation. In identity relation, every element of set A is related to itself, but in reflexive relation, every element is related to itself. Then after some extra order pair x comma y may or may not in the given relation. This is the difference between identity relation and reflexive relation. Let us see some examples of reflexive relation. Let us see some example of reflexive relation. Let us see some example of reflexive relation. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Then number 1, R1 is equal to 5. Is it a reflexive relation? No. It is not reflexive relation on A. Number 2, R2 is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2. It is also not reflexive. What is the reason here for not reflexive? Because element 3 present in the given set A, but here 3 is not, so it is not reflexive. Number 3, R3 is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. It is also a reflexive relation. It is also a reflexive relation on A. It is also identity relation, so we can say the identity relation on A is the reflexive relation. Number 4, number 4 bit. This is 1, this is second bit, this is third bit, and this is fourth bit. R4 is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2. It is also the reflexive relation on A. From these two examples, we can distinguish between the identity relation and reflexive relation. Here R3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, both identity and reflexive. But R4, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, it is only reflexive, because here 1, 2 extra order pair present, so it is reflexive only, but not identity. Now we'll discuss other example of reflexive relation. 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 Let capital R be the set of a real number, then the relations on A are, the relations on R. First, R1 is equal to x comma y such that x is equal to y and x comma y belongs to R is reflexive. Because it is reflexive, because 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, etc. presents. Number 2, R2 is equal to x comma y such that x less than equal to y, x comma y belongs to R is also reflexive. Number 3, R3 equal to x comma y such that x greater than equal to y, x comma y belongs to R is also reflexive. That is number 1, R1. The equality relation is reflexive. Equality relation is reflexive. Less than equal to relation is reflexive. Greater than equal to relation is reflexive. Let us discuss more examples about reflexive relation. Let capital L denotes the set of all lines on a plane. Then number 1, the relation is parallel to. Number 2, The relation is parallel to is reflexive. Number 2, the relation is perpendicular to is not reflexive. Example 1 is reflexive because any line, suppose line 1 is parallel to itself, line 1 L1 parallel to L1, that is L1 parallel to L1, L2 parallel to L2, L2 parallel to L2, like this. Here it is impossible, L1, it is impossible that L1 is perpendicular to L1. So this is not reflexive. Note, we will discuss other example of reflexive. Let delta denotes the set of all triangles on a plane. Then the relations is similar to is reflexive. It is reflexive because any triangle, suppose delta 1, this is reason, since delta 1 is similar to delta 1, any triangle is similar to itself, so the relation is similar to is reflexive. Number 2, this is the reason. Number 2, is congruent to is also reflexive. Reason, any triangle delta 1 is congruent to delta 1, delta 2 is also congruent to delta 2, so on. That is, each and every triangle is congruent to itself. So the relations similar to, is congruent to are represents the relation on the set of the triangle. Notes, is phi is a reflexive relation for a set, or what is the condition that phi can be reflexive relation? Yes, for one condition phi, the relation phi can be reflexive. That condition is phi is relation on phi to phi, otherwise phi is not reflexive relation. Here write notes, phi is not reflexive for any set A, but phi is reflexive only on phi. Note 2, the identity relation the identity relation on A is reflexive, but the reflexive relation on A may not be identity. Now number of reflexive on set A. What is the formula to calculate the number of reflexive relation on A? This formula is for one more question. Number of reflexive relation on A. If conductivity of A is equal to n, then number of reflexive relation on A is equal to 2 to the power n square minus n. One question, write the number of reflexive relation on A. If A is equal to A comma B comma C, the answer here conductivity of A, that is A equal here A comma B comma C, that implies number of element. Conductivity of A equal to 3. The number of reflexive relation on A is equal to 2 to the power n square minus n, that implies 2 to the power 3 square minus 3, 2 to the power 9 minus 3, that is equal to 2 to the power 6, which is equal to 64. 64 is the number of reflexive relation on A. Thank you.